Good morning, cookies. It's time to show you how to make your paper strip turkey. I know you've been curious about that bag that has the white paper, has different colored paper strips, an orange square, two wiggly eyes with plastic on the back, and those are important. Just don't take them off yet. And some feathers. So the first thing we're going to do, take your paper, make sure it's tall. It's a vertical rectangle, which means it's going up and down. Okay. You're going to take your paper strips and a glue stick, and you're just going to put a strip of glue on it and put it in the middle. We're going to start with an X. You can use any of the colors in here. And we have an X. And then you just keep going, crisscrossing your tape strips on the paper any way you want until you've used them all up. So I'm going to do a few more here, and I might do some across the side and then cut them shorter, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a minute. I want to get a few more on here for our turkey. And in case you want to know, it's very quiet here on Fridays. So I'm going to do a couple more and then just trim up in a couple places because they're kind of sticking out. I don't always like them sticking out, but that's just me. Okay, so I have it like this, and I have a couple sticking out, so I'm going to tear it because their feathers are fuzzy, right? Okay, so I have this, and guess what? I didn't put enough glue on it, so guess what I have to go back and do? Put more glue on it and press them down. See, even the grown-ups sometimes forget to do that important step. Okay, now, all done. Now, the next part I want you to do, take your triangle, your square, turn it this way so the points are up and down and on the sides. You're going to take your top point and you're going to fold it down to meet the bottom point and then smooth it out. And you guessed it, that's his mouth. So on the back, we're going to add glue and we're going to press it down right in the middle. Isn't it cute? Gobble, gobble. So then we're going to take these wiggly eyes. Now, I attached what are known as glue dots to these in case you did not have white liquid glue at home. So you just carefully tear off the paper, and it leaves a little glue dot on here. It's a little hard to tell. It's right there. And you're just going to put that over the eyes, and it sticks immediately. Does not fall off. Look how cute it is. Now, I'm going to take one of these, and I'm just going to add, I have the bottle glue. We call it bottle glue here in the classroom. I'm just going to put a little bit. It's a brand new bottle, so come on. Got to make sure I open it up enough. And I'm just going to find some places to stick it. I think I'll put one over here by his mouth. And I'll add, and I just add a little at the bottom, just like that. And then I'm going to stick it behind a couple strips here and there. So he looks like he has some feathers in his tail. And I'm just tucking them in a little bit here and a little bit there. One more to go. Where are we going to stick him? Oh, let's put it up here. All right. Don't want to. Oops, I was wrong. I have one more. I had an extra one hiding there. So we'll stick this back over here. And there you have your paper strip turkey. Isn't it cute? Gobble, gobble, cookies. Have a great day and have fun making it.